Which resistance bands are actually good? Simple question, but you need to dig a bit deeper to get the answer. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 options to help you get the most out of your workouts.
Product number 1, Fit Simplify Resistance Bands. We have the Fit Simplify Resistance Loop Exercise Bands. Priced at just $9.98, this set of 5 bands caught my attention with its variety of resistance levels. If you want a budget-friendly option that accommodates both beginners and seasoned athletes, this is worth a serious look. These bands offer 5 different resistance levels, ranging from extra light to extra heavy, making them perfect for all fitness levels. The 12x2 heavy-duty loop bands are made from latex, allowing you to engage in strength training, stretching, or even physical therapy. The versatility here is huge. You can easily incorporate them into yoga, Pilates, or your home workout routine, which is a game changer if you're looking to mix things up. Plus, they come with a handy carry bag, making it easy to take your workout on the go. Now, I did notice some complaints about the bands stretching out over time with heavy use. Here's the thing though, as long as you're mindful of your workout intensity and avoid excessive force, they should hold up just fine for most users. This is perfect for you if you're just starting your fitness journey or if you're looking for something easy to travel with. Skip this one if you're an advanced user who needs heavy-duty equipment. At under $10, it's a steal for the quality you get.
Product number 2, Liang Jindun Resistance Bands. Let's talk about the Liang Jindun 5-piece professional resistance bands. They come in at $11.99 and offer a skin-friendly, latex-free experience. If you're someone who has sensitivities or just wants a more comfortable option, this might be worth considering. These bands provide a range of resistance levels from 3 to 20 pounds, clearly color-coded for easy identification. The 59-inch length is great for various workouts, whether you're doing yoga, Pilates, or even physical therapy. The high-quality TPE material is designed to maintain elasticity over time, which is crucial if you want something that won't break after a few sessions. Honestly, this feature means you'll save money in the long run, since you won't need to replace them frequently. However, some users reported that the bands felt a bit too light for advanced workouts. Here's the thing, if you're looking to push your limits, you might want to combine these with heavier bands for an effective routine. This is perfect for you if you're recovering from an injury or if you want something gentle for your workouts. Skip this if you're a seasoned gym goer looking for intense resistance. For the price, they offer great value for the quality and versatility.
Product number 3, Jamistry Pull-Up Assistance Bands. We have the Jamistry Pull-Up Assistance Bands, priced at $16.99. This caught my eye because of its impressive resistance range from 5 to 125 pounds. If you want something that grows with you as you progress, this is worth a serious look. These bands are made from non-slip TPE material, ensuring they won't slip even during sweaty workouts. The 5 levels allow you to customize your training, whether you're a beginner or looking to shape your muscles more intensively. They're great for full body workouts, from pull-ups to squats, and can even be used for explosive exercises, which really opens up your workout possibilities. However, a few users mentioned that the bands can feel bulky when carrying them around. But honestly, if you're serious about your workout and need a reliable set, the weight is a fair trade-off for the support they offer. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile band that can handle a variety of exercises. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra-portable for light workouts. For $17, you're getting a solid piece of equipment that can replace a lot of gym gear.
Product number 4, WattaFit Resistance Bands. The list is the WattaFit Resistance Bands, retailing at $22.07. This kit really caught my attention for its comprehensive offering. It comes with handles, ankle straps, and a door anchor. If you want a full workout kit in one package, this is definitely worth considering. Crafted from high-density natural latex, these bands provide 5 adjustable resistance levels from 10 to 50 pounds, which means you can easily tailor your workout intensity. The added accessories allow for a wider range of exercises, whether you want to tone your arms or build your legs. Plus, the carrying pouch makes it easy to set up anywhere, whether you're at home or traveling, which is a huge plus. However, I did find that some users commented on the bands being a bit stiff initially. Here's the thing. They loosen up after a few uses, and the durability of the bands means they'll last longer through your workouts. This is perfect for you if you like to have a range of exercises available at home. Skip this if you prefer single band solutions. For about $22, you're getting a comprehensive set that's hard to beat.
Product number 5, Rosa Par Pull-Up Assist Bands. We have the Rosa Par Pull-Up Assist Bands, priced at $24.98. This set stood out to me because of its 5 different resistance levels, going from 5 pounds all the way to 125 pounds. If you're serious about building strength and versatility in your workouts, this is worth checking out. Made from 100% high-grade natural latex, these bands are designed for durability and long-lasting elasticity, which is essential if you're working your way up to tougher workouts. The bands are versatile enough for a variety of exercises, including assisted pull-ups, cross-training, and even powerlifting. They're great for all fitness levels, making them ideal for anyone serious about their training. On the downside, some users noted that the bands can feel a bit stiff at first. But honestly, a little breaking in is normal with high-quality latex, and once they do, they perform exceptionally well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a serious tool to help with strength training and recovery. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for casual workouts. For under $25, you're getting a top-notch set that can replace multiple pieces of gym equipment.
So, we've covered some fantastic options today. The Fit Simplify bands are great for beginners. Liang Jindan offers a gentle touch. Jamistry gives you full body versatility. What a Fit provides a complete kit, and Rosapor is perfect for serious strength training. Each has its own strengths and weaknesses, so pick the one that fits your needs best.